Welcome to the Gospel according to Prophet Horo.
What is man that you are mindful of him? He was mindful of man because he wanted to make him in his image so that he rule, because he can never rule if there is no throne, and there is no throne without a seat. If there is a throne for a man to sit, it means that God was mindful of a man to sit upon the throne so that he can rule and dominate. For heaven is my throne, but the earth is my footstool. When God created heaven, actually he established his throne. God does not dwell in heaven, he dwells in light. Both heaven and the earth, they were created at the same time. Heaven is actually part of creation. The highest dimension in the things of God is not to go to heaven, it is to go in God and God in you. I say the highest dimension in the things of God is not to go into heaven, it is to go in God and God going in you. Jesus Christ died actually on the cross so that we can be at home in God. If you do not understand me, Mamela, this word was once in home in God. This word was once in home with God, but out of God came out the Son who was at home in God. So the plan of God was to bring everything in him and him in us. The goal is not heaven, the goal is to be found in God and God in us. The highest dimension in the things of God is not to go to heaven, it is to go in God and God in you.
In a generation trapped in time but blinded to the reality of eternity, God has raised Prophet Siphamandla Horo as a prophetic voice, awakening men from death into life. A teacher of divine oracles, a heavenly scholar, the guardian of ancient scrolls. One encounter with his message will leave you stirred, provoked and yearning to hear him again and again and again. Welcome to the Ancient Scrolls of Zion with Prophet Horo.